Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you guys have a Kia Optima and you want to see guys how to remove, how to replace horn, where the horn is located, it could be two different locations. Stay with us guys and we're going to explain about all that as we go. So let's explain about it now. So this should guys work on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year probably 2006. Some things will differ, some things may be a little bit different depending on configuration, year build and all that stuff, but the concept will be very close and almost the same with some minor differences here and there. Let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima or your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And another thing, if you have a Kia Optima or other car you want to learn about fixing cars, we have guys, that's our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. Amazing helpful videos that can save you thousands of dollars. Check it out as well. So let's start on it now. So as you can see, we have the bumper removed out of that Kia Optima now guys, but practically you don't need to remove the bumper at all. What you may need to do, you have two options now. You may have two different locations for the horn and you have two horns guys. One is high tone, one is low tone. So we'll have a video how to test them as well if you want to check it out on the channel, but let's explain now. You may need to remove the grille, on your Kia Optima. The video is pretty simple, If you want to see how to remove grille on Kia Optima, we'll be publishing it very soon. Once you guys remove the grille, if you behind the grille have one horn, then it means that you have another one somewhere else. If you have two horns here next to each other, then you're ready to go. That's the only location of the horn. So let's go ahead and explain how to remove that one now, and where the second one will be located. So all you need to do guys, get a 10mm socket. Once you get a 10mm socket, there is only one nut that you need to remove. And perfect, you can see we're removing that. This is the horn. All we have to do, press down here, and disconnect it now. Pull it out. This is one of the horns. You can see it says Hyundai and Kia because it has been used on both of those vehicles, guys. Hyundai, Kia, it's the same, practically almost the same corporation. They develop their cars together. Now, where is the second horn, guys? If you come right here and you remove your headlight, usually, guys, you need to remove the headlight. If you come right here, you will get to the second horn. That's the second location, guys. So this one, we'll disconnect it, hold it, and this is the second horn out of that Kia Optima. Those are the two locations. And Kia, Hyundai again. If you want to see guys how to test them, how to test the horn on Kia, we have the video on the channel that's going to explain all that, but that's how you guys do it. That's where they're usually located. If you have two horns behind the grille, that's the only location. If you have a single horn, you have another one. And you have a third horn, but that's for the alarm siren, which is located right there usually. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.